let's start with today's homemade salsa recipe. Now here I have taken about 5 medium-sized tomatoes and I have just brushed them with some olive oil, and now I'm going to roast them on a pan. You can use any pan. Just roast them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Also chop up 5 large tomatoes very fine. Then I'll need 3 large onions very fine. Here I'm using a white onion. You can use the normal red onion. So we're going to roast this till the skin starts getting some black spots on them, because then once the tomatoes cool down, we need to peel off the skin and de-seed them. I'll be showing you the procedure. So roast them well on a low to medium heat, and they should look like this. Then you just have to let them cool down completely, and then we're just going to peel off the skin and then de-seed the tomatoes. Now I'm also going to be roasting about 6 to 7 dried red chilies. And I'm going to put the tomatoes which I have peeled and de-seeded along with a little bit of onion and some the red chilies which are roasted, and a little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Now if you don't have garlic powder, you can just put about 4 whole cloves of garlic, and you have to get into a nice puree like this. So now let's assemble the salsa. Take the tomatoes in a large bowl, the ones which we have chopped very fine. Now to this, we are going to be adding our onion. I like using white onion in the summertime because it has a real cooling effect on the body, and it tastes amazing too. Now give all of this a nice mix, and then we're going to add the paste that we just ground. Mix all of this well. And garlic powder is now easily available in stores, so if you can get your hands on it, it makes work easier. And then we're just going to add a lot of chopped up cilantro, coriander, kothimber on top, and some lemon juice, the juice of half a large lemon. And your salsa is all ready. And you just store this in a clean, dry glass bottle. Keep it in your refrigerator. It has a long shelf life too. Just put it on top of your nachos. Just dress it up with some homemade sauce. Now this homemade sauce is also very healthy. Although it looks like it has cheese in it, it doesn't have cheese in it. So what I have done, I've just taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. I've added 1 whole tablespoon of whole wheat flour and just fried it till the rawness goes away, and then just added 2 tablespoons of milk and mixed everything together. And then just for the color, I've added a pinch of haldi powder. Now if you like, you can add some grated cheese, but I have stayed away from the cheese. And then just mix everything and just put it on top of your nachos and salsa, and you have an amazing dish all ready to eat. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a big like, share my recipes. Once you have subscribed, click on the bell so you won't miss out any of the recipes coming up on Akshatas recipes channel. Visit my channel for more than 250 recipes, and give me your feedback on my channel, on my recipes. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care, guys. Bye.